Are you still pouring hundreds of dollars every month into traditional marketing channels like Instagram, Facebook, and email, only to barely see results? Did you know over 50 million businesses have already made the switch to WhatsApp? And there's a reason for it. Traditional marketing channels, they're draining your wallet and giving you next to nothing in return. Think about it. You're blindly giving these outdated platforms your hard-earned money while battling against unreliable metrics, rising costs, and inefficiencies every single day. Sound familiar? Let's break it down. Facebook ads, Instagram posts, and email campaigns. You're throwing away hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single month. And what are you getting in return? Maybe a 5% click-through rate on your emails? If they even land in the inbox. And don't get me started on the unsubscribers and the spam reports. Social media, you say. Your posts are buried in seconds, competing with an avalanche of content. And you're lucky if 5% of your audience even sees it. You're paying for uncertainty. It's inconsistent, unreliable, and the return on your investment? Barely extinct. It's a marketing mess. But what if there was a way to cut through all that noise? A way to connect with your customers where they actually are, directly on their phones in a channel they trust and use every single day. Introducing FlaxxaWapi, the platform that transforms how you do business in 2024. FlaxxaWapi makes WhatsApp your superpower. And guess what? It's 40x more affordable than the competition, but the value is unmatched. FlaxxaWapi is an official Meta partner and uses the official WhatsApp Business API, meaning you're working with a trusted solution that automates your business while ensuring compliance with WhatsApp's policies. For less than the price of a dinner for two, you get lifetime access to this powerful product. No monthly fees, no hidden messages delivered instantly to your customers. Open rates as high as 98%, and click-through rates soaring to 45%. Compare that to the 1 to 5% you're getting with email marketing, and it's a no-brainer. With FlaxxaWapi, you can personalize messages at scale with thousands of pre-made templates and watch your engagement. Efficiently manage contacts with custom fields, groups, and bulk imports. 3. Send unlimited broadcast messages to anyone on your contact list without getting banned. 4. Automate and track entire campaigns and forget about micromanaging. 5. Handle customer support 24/7 with AI-driven, human-level bots that can convert to human agents when needed. 6. Promote your products and services faster than ever before through WhatsApp. Customers directly message you in the chat box for instant responses. And that's off the iceberg. FlaxxaWapi easily replaces over 10 apps your marketing, packing 10x platform with zero setup costs, zero recurring charges. FlaxxaWapi is the best extensive toolset for the market cost. It integrates easily with the platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Zapier, PayPal, Stripe, and Razorpay, existing systems. And it's not just for one industry. It's for everyone. Beauty and cosmetics, you say? Automate appointments and reminders and keep your clients engaged. Health and wellness? Streamline patient communication. E-commerce? Manage orders, your product catalogs instantly. You save banking and finance relationships with quick, secure messaging. And there's another game changer. Will help you get verified with a green tick on WhatsApp. So your customers will instantly recognize you as a trusted brand. 3 steps and you're done. First, you connect your WhatsApp number. In a few clicks, Link your WhatsApp number and you're ready to roll. Second, add your brand details and upload your contacts. Third, launch your first campaign. Watch your messages land directly in inboxes and see those engagement numbers skyrocket. And check this out, you can take FlaxxaWapi even further. Offer WhatsApp marketing services to your clients? Right now, freelancers are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars doing this on Fiverr and Upwork. Why stick to outdated methods? It's time to leave traditional marketing in the dust and move forward with something better. Something that's working for millions of businesses around the world. Don't wait! Take advantage of this limited time offer and secure your lifetime access to day money back guarantee. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below. FlaxxaWapi at the lowest day. It's a steal of a deal that's available only during the launch period. Prices are going up soon, so this is your chance to grab it at the lowest price ever. FlaxxaWapi is your answer. Stop wasting money. Start making it. See you soon on the inside.